Hello! A bit of Apple history before we begin. FileMaker Pro is a superb tool that allows the right hands to develop powerful and excellent solutions. FileMaker has been a wholly owned subsidiary of Apple Computer. Yes, that small little company, since Apple formed Claris in order to market and develop software. Apple's Claris released FileMaker Pro version 1 in 1990. Today, in 2017, we use FileMaker 16. Your business can now enjoy the fruits of 27 years of constant development and refinement. Now, I've truly loved applying the power of FileMaker in order to rapidly accomplish and solve complex and unique business problems for a huge number of businesses just like yours. I'm Michael Rashad, and I've been a professional FileMaker developer since 1987, and that was the year when Apple made the very wise decision to acquire the original program and bring it into Claris. So this year, I'm celebrating 30 years as a FileMaker developer in this business solutions business. Now, in those 30 years, I've seen many database programs come and go. But FileMaker has gone from strength to strength. And now, with the release recently of FileMaker 16, it has become an absolute powerhouse. I've also personally written 2 critically acclaimed ebooks on developing with FileMaker, FileMaker and You and FileMaker and Me. These multimedia ebooks show the many FileMaker videos I've made and teach the advanced techniques that I've created to solve complex business problems. Now, FileMaker's only real competitor in the marketplace is Microsoft Access, but even that Microsoft tool falls very short for multiple reasons. Microsoft doesn't even include it in Microsoft Office anymore. Are you wondering why? Well, it could well be that Microsoft is phasing it out and just wants it to disappear. That's the rumor. But truthfully, Access is difficult to program, requiring a knowledge of Visual Basic, and it only works on Windows. Access forces your developer to know 2 languages and yet restricts them to 1 platform, whereas FileMaker works cross-platform on multiple devices and operating systems. Now, some people will say that SQL, SAP, or Oracle are what all businesses need, but for 95% of them, they are not. Those massive programs are designed for huge companies with thousands or tens of thousands of employees in multiple locations and possibly all around the world. And monster, and oh boy do I mean monster, budgets. And even then, many of those huge companies, Fortune 500 and the like, have FileMaker solutions running in their individual departments. Are you wondering why? Is that strange? It's not really. It's because those departments need their problems solved right now, not in a year or 2 or when IT finally gets around to it. And because FileMaker is designed to talk to almost every solution out there, those solutions can communicate with other things. That's called interoperability, and it's very important. Now, if you're one of the many companies that's using spreadsheets to manage your business, I can prove to you beyond any shadow of a doubt that you're not operating optimally. Just ask yourself how many spreadsheets you have filed all over the place, multiple copies in multiple machines, modified by multiple people. It can be, and often is, a total mess. There is a much better way, and that way is FileMaker. Now, I want you to imagine that you take all the spreadsheet data and put it in 1 file where your staff can access what they need and only what they need. They can get to it instantly, and you, as a manager or owner, can run reports that tell you where your business is and what you should or should not be doing. No duplication, no confusion. That's what you get with FileMaker. But what really sets FileMaker apart from every other solution is the speed with which development can be done. FileMaker Pro is a RAID, R-A-D-E, which stands for Rapid Application Development Environment. FileMaker Pro is quite simply the fastest RAID there is or has ever been, and goes from 0 to 100 in months, not years, resulting in projects that are completed on time and within budget. FileMaker allows solutions to be built incredibly quickly or prototyped, typically as much as 6 times faster than any other solution out there, and sometimes faster than that. This means much lower development costs for you, rapid deployment, incredible flexibility, with easy debugging, and whenever necessary, any affected data is instantly recalculated or corrected. High-level developers like myself know that FileMaker is an incredible tool which allows us to produce creative and cost-effective custom solutions that beautifully address our clients' needs. And with elegant interfaces that are intuitive to use, your staff will love to use them too. FileMaker will absolutely streamline your operation, eliminate repetitive tasks, and reduce non-productive functions, so that your staff can then focus on building your business, not chasing data or typing the same thing over and over and over again. FileMaker solutions that I've developed have resulted in tripling of sales, eliminating production errors, preventing huge losses, all the while using the same number of staff. All this is 100% due to implementing a proper FileMaker solution in your business. Now, if FileMaker was a bad tool, Apple would have got rid of it years ago. Instead, it's on every Apple store shelf, and that says a lot about FileMaker. Now, if you talk to somebody who tells you that FileMaker is nothing more than a toy, then they absolutely, positively, definitely don't know what they're talking about, and you shouldn't be listening to them. Apple backs the FileMaker platform because it is their hyper-powerful software for creating custom apps that work seamlessly across iPad, iPhone, Windows, Mac, and the web. There are many kinds of FileMaker developers. Some, like myself, have deep business experience to help you, and have deep development experience across multiple industries to help you too. Unfortunately, and this is a sad fact of life, there are many so-called developers who don't have the faintest idea of how to develop a proper FileMaker solution. But they hung out a shingle to charge people like you reasonably to be their guinea pig. They're novices who've learned just enough to be dangerous and will often adversely affect your business. Now, I can't tell you how many times I had to jump in and fix solutions developed by these self-styled experts, but which have been a disaster for the business owner. What I can tell you is that over the last 30 years, it's been a lot. And what's worse, most of them, almost all of them, were so badly designed that there was no point in trying to fix them. It was just throw it away. It would have been a complete waste of time to do anything else, and the client's money is gone. Now, FileMaker Pro wasn't the problem, it's who got hired. Yes, the price seemed right, cheap, but in this area, which is so crucial to business success, you get what you pay for. I proudly charge what I'm worth. I don't make any excuses for the value of my time and expertise, because what I can achieve in an hour makes what I charge you completely insignificant. Others offer lower rates and simply charge many hours, sometimes an entire day, to produce something so that you'll think you got something good, cheap, and brag about that low hourly rate. But what they've done is do work that took much more time than it would take me. So instead of that, make a wise decision. Schedule a 15 to 20 minute call with me. The first session's completely free, and it might go a little longer if your project is challenging. However, my rate is $150 an hour, and if that seems too expensive, frankly, we won't be a good fit. Maybe you should contract at $40 an hour and end up paying $320 to accomplish something that took them a day, which I could have done in an hour, giving you a better result for half the outlay. Look, if you have a serious business that needs a serious, experienced solution provider, please give me a call. We'll need to explore what your needs are, and we'll need to discuss the operational issues that you are facing, the things that drive you nuts on a daily basis, because those are the bottlenecks in your business. And no matter the industry, the chances are I've already developed one or more solutions for it and have a deep understanding about that industry. But if not, I only need to know the specifics for your industry, your business. Ultimately, all businesses are pretty much the same. They all have a product or service that they market and or sell. Only the way that your particular business gets done is different. That's the customization that you need and that I can do for you. You and I will have a short 15 to 20 minute exploratory conversation in English, not in computer jargon which is designed to baffle and confuse you. There's no cost to you for that initial conversation. And at the end of it, you'll have a very good understanding of what you actually need for your business and what I can do for you. You'll then decide to hire me because my job is quite simply to make your business more efficient. And a more efficient business can only be a more profitable one. It's an immutable law of nature. It's just the way it works. Therefore, I'm always going to be a profit center for you, not a cost. Feel free to give me a call at 303-856-5778. If it goes to voicemail, it means I'm currently helping someone on another call. So please leave me a message with a convenient time of day that you're going to be at your personal best and fully ready to discuss your thorniest problems and the best possible solutions. You can also text me. My cell number is the same, 303-856-5778. And we'll coordinate to set up a mutually acceptable time for our initial discussion. You could actually do that. Yeah, you can text me right now, right this moment. I'm looking forward to hearing from you to help you improve your business. You know that now is the time, the perfect time to refine and improve your business so that you stay competitive in this ultra competitive world. Let's do some business. Let's improve your business. Let's do it together. Give me a call now.